Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Living Organisms, a self-assessment program. Which of the following are not characteristics of living organisms? Growth, warm-bloodedness, excretion, reproduction, egg-laying, respiration, sensitivity, photosynthesis, feeding. The following are characteristics possessed by some, but not all living things: warm-bloodedness, egg-layings, and photosynthesis. List the 5 kingdoms into which most living organisms can be classified. Most living organisms can be classified as bacteria, protista, fungi, plants, and animals. Which of the vertebrate classes are warm-blooded, reproduce by laying eggs? Birds and mammals are warm-blooded. Fish, amphibian, reptiles, and birds reproduce by laying eggs. Classify the following invertebrates under the headings: protozoans, annelids, crustaceans, insects, or mollusks. Protozoans: amoeba, malleolparasites. Annelids: earthworms, lungworms. Crustacean: woodlouse, lobster, shrimps. Insects: wasps, butterfly, cockroach, housefly. Mollusks: slugs, snails, wreck, mussel. Which invertebrate groups possesses 1, 3, 4, or all of the features listed below? Segmented bodies, hard exoskeleton, jointed legs, compound eyes, 3 pairs of walking legs. Insect possesses all the characteristics listed. Crustaceans possesses all but the 3 pairs of walking legs. Spiders, millipedes, and centipedes have segmented bodies, exoskeleton, and jointed legs. Annelids have segmented bodies. Which of the features listed below are possessed by all of the groups: mosses, fern, and flowering plants? Made up of many cells, have cell walls, contain chlorophyll, have roots, stem, and leaves, produce seeds, get energy from respiration. Mosses, fern, and flowering plants all have many cells with cell wall and chlorophyll, and all obtain energy from respiration. Mosses have leaves and stem, but no proper roots. Only flowering plants produce seeds. Which of the following are fungi, flowering plants, ferns, mushroom, trees, cabbage, molds, toadstool, seaweed, grass, mosses, cacti? Fungi, we have mushroom, molds, toadstool. Flowering plants, tree, cabbage, grass, cacti. Classify the following vertebrates under the headings fish, amphibian, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Sparrow, cod, tortoise, adder, stoat, tuna, toad, rapid, rock, cow, frog, trout, porpoise, owl, cobra, tadpole, seahorse, iguana, mongoose. Fish, cod, tuna, trout, seahorse. Amphibian, toad, frog, tadpole. Reptiles, tortoise, adder, cobra, iguana. Birds, sparrow, rock, owl. Mammals, stoat, rabbit, cow, porpoise, mongoose. State the ways in which all plant cells, some plant cells differ from animal cells. All plant cells have cellulose cell wall. Some plant cells have chloroplast and large central vacuole. Which of the following are not characteristics which could be used to distinguish mammal from other vertebrates? Eyes, fur, mammary glands, 5 toes, diaphragm, ears, teeth, ear pinnae, suckling its young, milk teeth. Eyes, 5 toes, ears, and teeth are characteristics possessed by vertebrates other than mammals. Which type of mammal are included in the primate group? Primate group includes lemur, monkeys, apes, and humans. State 2 characteristics of humans which distinguish them from other primates. 2 features which distinguish humans from other primates are their upright posture and their power of speech. Large brain, especially the cerebral hemisphere, and adaptability are also human characteristics, but are not so clear-cut as the first 2. In what ways might clothing, housing, writing have contributed to the survival of human beings? Clothing and housing provide warmth and shelter, and so have enabled human to survive in a wide range of climatic conditions. Writing has enabled human to pass on acquired and complex knowledge from one generation to the next. For example, methods of building, ways of curing diseases, avoidance of hazards. This knowledge improves the chances of survival. Which two gases are exchanged when living organisms breathe? Oxygen and carbon dioxide are the gases exchanged when living organisms breathe. What is the distinction between breathing and respiration? What part do ventilation and gaseous exchange play in these processes? Breathing implies the obtaining oxygen from the environment and releasing of carbon dioxide. Respiration is the breakdown of organic molecules, which is food, to release energy, which is used to drive all living processes in an organism. Ventilation is an aspect of breathing by which an animal exchanges the air or water in contact with its respiratory surfaces. In sexual reproduction, special cells called dash fuse together to form a dash, which grows into dash. In sexual reproduction, special cells called gametes fuse together to form a zygote, which grows into a new organism. Living organisms are sensitive. This means that when they receive a dash, they make a dash. Living organisms are sensitive. This means that when they receive a stimulus, they make a response. The response made by a growing plant shoot to one-sided illumination is called dash. The response made by a growing plant shoot to one-sided illumination is called positive phototropism. Thank you very much for participating in Living Organisms, a self-assessment program. Please do like, share, and subscribe.